Welcome to the THAIFEX HOREC Xperiential Zone, where the future of HORECA is being shaped. This is the heartbeat of innovation, where 9 dynamic HORECA industry segments unite in one place. From the heartwarming bakery and ice cream, to the energizing Café and Bar, the revitalizing cleaning and laundry, to the tantalizing dining, the efficient furnishing to the state-of-the-art kitchen, service that inspires, tech that empowers, and wellness that rejuvenates. Here, potential knows no bounds. Embrace the new era of HORECA, driven by 6 essential trends that are shaping the very fabric of the industry. Sustainability, contactless experiences, digitalized guest interactions, plant-based menus, food waste management, and energy efficiency. But hold on, there's more! Embark on expert-led guided tours unlocking the essence of groundbreaking innovations. Feel the energy surge as master chefs take center stage, dazzling you with live cooking demonstrations. Witness the unveiling of revolutionary ingredients and culinary techniques right before your eyes. Yes, amidst all these remarkable experiences, THAIFEX HOREC Xperiential Zone is where connections come to life. Engage with influential professionals, exchange ideas, foster collaboration, and forge partnerships that have the potential to drive explosive business growth. So seize this moment. Join us from 6 to 8 March 2024 at THAIFEX HOREC Xperiential Zone, where you will uncover the latest HORECA industry solutions. Together, let's shape the future of HORECA.